Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will walk through the step-by-step process of repairing short circuits on the Asus UX8406M motherboard. First, gather your tools. You will need a precision screwdriver set, a multimeter, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol, and an anti-static wrist strap. Start by powering down the laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Remove the battery to prevent any accidental power on while you're working. Next, use the precision screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep track of the screws as they can vary in size. Once the back panel is removed, you should have access to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect any cables that may obstruct your view. Now, inspect the motherboard visually for any signs of damage such as burnt components or damaged traces. Using your multimeter, check for continuity and short circuits between power rails. If you find a short circuit, carefully locate the damaged component. This may require desoldering, so make sure you have a soldering iron ready. If you're not comfortable with this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. To clean the area around the damaged component, use isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush to remove any debris or thermal paste residue. This ensures a clean area for soldering. Once cleaned, you can proceed to solder the damaged component. Be sure to use caution and avoid overheating the surrounding area. After replacing the faulty component, reapply thermal paste if necessary and solder the new component in place. If you don't have the tools or experience, don't hesitate to contact us for pickup and delivery at your home, where we can handle the repair for you. Next, reconnect all the cables and carefully replace the back panel. Ensure that all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling noise when the device is powered on. Before powering up the laptop, double-check that everything is connected securely. If you're unsure about any steps, remember we provide quotes before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, power on the device and check if the issue has been resolved. Monitor the laptop for any unusual behavior. If the laptop functions correctly, you have successfully repaired the short circuit. If not, it may be time to consult with a professional. This concludes our tutorial on repairing the Asus UX8406M motherboard. By following these steps, you can address common issues effectively and efficiently. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.